Have you ever wondered what it's like to travel in the world's most luxurious private jets? Imagine soaring through the skies, ensconced in the ultimate luxury, far removed from the hustle and bustle of commercial flights. This is the world of private jets, a realm where comfort meets convenience, and where every journey is a unique experience. These are not just aircraft, they're flying palaces, outfitted with the finest amenities and latest technology. Picture a tastefully designed living room, a bedroom with a king-size bed, a fully equipped gourmet kitchen, and even a spa, all at 30,000 feet. Whether it's for business or pleasure, traveling in a private jet is about more than just getting from point A to point B. It's about the journey itself, about savoring every moment in an environment that's tailored to your needs and wants. Now, prepare to embark on a journey through the skies in unparalleled luxury. When it comes to luxury in the sky, not all jets are created equal. Dive into the world of private aviation, where comfort meets speed and innovation, and each jet is a testament to human ingenuity. Let's start with the Bombardier Global 7500, known for its bespoke interior design. From hand-stitched leather seats to customizable cabin layouts, this jet is a flying mansion that caters to your every whim. It's not just about looks, though. The 7500 offers an impressive range of 7,700 nautical miles, enabling you to fly from New York to Sydney without a fuel stop. Now let's move on to the Gulfstream G700. This jet is a true marvel of speed and comfort. With a top speed of Mach 0.925, it's one of the fastest private jets around, making your travel time as short as possible. But don't worry, speed doesn't compromise comfort here. The G700 boasts the tallest, widest, and longest cabin in the industry, complete with panoramic windows and a whisper-quiet environment. Next on our list is the Dassault Falcon 8X. This jet stands out for its technological innovations. From digital flight controls to a cutting-edge cockpit design, the Falcon 8X is all about making the pilot's job easier and the passenger's journey smoother. The 8X also prides itself on its eco-friendly engines, reducing carbon emissions and noise pollution. Finally, we have the Embraer Lineage 1000E. This jet is a unique blend of luxury and practicality. It offers 5 cabin zones for dining, entertainment, and relaxation. Yet it can land at smaller airports, providing more flexibility for your travel plans. With its ability to fly for 8,000 nautical miles, the Lineage 1000E ensures you can reach any corner of the globe in style. Each of these luxurious jets offers something unique. Whether it's the bespoke design of the Bombardier Global 7500, the speed of the Gulfstream G700, the technology of the Dassault Falcon 8X, or the versatility of the Embraer Lineage 1000E, there's a jet to suit every taste and need. As you can see, these jets offer more than just transportation. They provide an experience that is truly out of this world. Now that we've compared different jets, let's turn our attention to the creme de la creme. The world of private jets is a realm of opulence, but even within this sphere, some models stand out for their sheer extravagance. Let's start with the Bombardier Global 7500. This jet is a class apart, boasting a 4-zone cabin that allows passengers to enjoy a home-like environment. It's not just about comfort, though. The Global 7500 is also about speed, holding the record for the longest flight and highest speed by a business jet. Next, we have the Gulfstream G700. This jet is a favorite among celebrities and billionaires, and for good reason. The G700 offers the tallest, widest, and longest cabin in the industry, ensuring unmatched comfort. But it's not just about size. The cabin also features 20 panoramic oval windows that allow natural light to flood in, creating a serene atmosphere. Then there's the Boeing Business Jet MAX 8, a private jet version of the popular 737 MAX. This jet is all about customization. From a master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom to a spacious living area, owners can design the interiors to their liking. And let's not forget about the range. The BBJ MAX 8 can fly non-stop over half the globe, making it perfect for those transcontinental trips. And finally, we have the Airbus ACJ 320neo. This jet is the epitome of luxury, with a cabin that resembles a high-end apartment more than an aircraft. With a living area, a master suite, and even a spacious dining room, the ACJ 320neo offers an extraordinary flying experience. But it's not just about the jets themselves. It's also about the unparalleled service that comes with them. From personal butlers to Michelin-starred chefs, These jets offer a level of service that rivals the world's most luxurious hotels. These jets represent the pinnacle of luxury, offering an experience that goes beyond mere travel. Luxury air travel is not just about the present, it's also about the future. As we move forward, the sky is literally the limit. Technological advancements will continue to redefine what luxury means in the context of private air travel. Imagine, if you will, a future where private jets are not just a mode of transportation, but an experience in themselves, offering more than just comfort and speed. Innovations in design and technology are set to make this a reality. From fully customizable interiors to AI-powered services, the future private jet will be a perfect blend of luxury, convenience, and cutting-edge technology. Picture a jet that can adjust its cabin conditions based on the passenger's preferences, or one that offers immersive entertainment experiences, transforming long-haul flights into enjoyable journeys. The private jet industry is poised to embrace these changes, making air travel a unique blend of luxury and innovation. The future of luxury air travel promises to be even more exciting and luxurious than what we see today. So, what have we learned about the world of luxurious private jets? Well, we've delved into the allure of these gleaming marvels of engineering and luxury, understanding the appeal for those who seek privacy, convenience, and an unparalleled travel experience. We've compared different jets, each boasting unique features that set them apart, from opulent interiors to impressive speed and range capabilities. We've highlighted the top private jets of 2024, the epitome of luxury air travel, where every detail is meticulously crafted for the ultimate in comfort and sophistication. And finally, we've gazed into the future of luxury air travel, a future where innovation and luxury continue to push boundaries, promising even more astonishing developments in private aviation. In the grand scheme of things, these jets redefine what it means to travel, elevating it from a mere necessity to an art form. Next time you look at the sky, remember that some of those tiny specks are not just planes, they are floating luxury homes, taking their fortunate passengers on a journey like no other.